the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the
Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy from Everyday Trip, and I'm back with another one. Hope you guys having a great day or evening wherever you are. I got a shoe unboxing for you guys right here. So let's get into it. So this is going to be a Jordan 5 release. This came out on May 27th. Just by that you might know what these are. Right there. Size 10.5 Jordan 5 Easter colorway. This colorway was held back quite some time, just like a lot of other releases. Jordan brand is lagging on getting them out for when they want to. Here we go. Jordan 5 Easter. This is a retro. Shoe is actually extremely clean. It has that 3M tongue. The sole is glow in the dark. This is one of the coolest shoes that came out this year so far, besides the Jackie Robinson. So this is by far the coolest shoe of the year so far. I'm definitely trying to get my hands on those. But the resale is crazy, as you guys know. If you got it for retail, you are extremely lucky. If you don't know what's selling them, please let me know. Alright, here we go with the first person. Shout out to GoPro. Extremely clean shoe in hand, as you can see. One of the cleanest 5s of the year, and I think it's going to stay that way if you ask me. You have the silk tongue liner with, of course, the Air Jordan, and then on the inside you got that Jordan branding. Just an overall clean shoe. These shoes released after Easter, unfortunately, but you know I'm going to be rocking these on Easter Day 2023. You want to follow my Instagram for pictures, you can do that. I'll have a link in the description. Extremely clean shoe. And you know I'm going to be hitting you guys with the on feeds for these at the end of the video as well, so make sure you're staying tuned for that. It's going to be really interesting. Making movies, you already know. As you can see, this shoe is extremely clean, and of course they have that Jordan 5 box. Looks extremely great, unlike that typical Jordan 1 box with the check and the black and the red. It's just overdone, and I just love when Jordan brand gives us some fire boxes just like this one. Details on point. It's way better than just like even like just one of these standard boxes. I mean, it's cool, but it gets boring. I love the detail on all the little things that Jordan brand does for us. Just like the 3M, the underglow, or the glow in the dark, excuse me. It's the little things that make the shoe elevated way over the top. It makes them extremely cool. So these Easters here released on May 27th, as I stated, and I got them on the 28th, I believe. Got them from JD. Love JD. That's my favorite in-store place to pick up shoes. But I got them on the 28th. Birthday and my family, and then we went to Vegas and actually got some really cool stuff, man. Got this at Urban Necessities. I'll have some solo pictures and videos of these after. Really cool. It will match the Easters. It's gonna be a super sick shirt. And I actually picked up 2 of these. These are some Adidas shirts. Got these from JD as well. Gotta get my points up for when I need some on release day early access points. This is the second one I got from my boy. He's actually in town while I'm filming this video. I'll have to get this to him before he leaves. He got me a shirt, and I got him one for his birthday. For my birthday, he's in the military, so we don't see each other that much, so I'll give him a little bit of drip while he's here. And also got some Nike drip. Gotta love that orange for the summer. Summer's about to end, but you can't go wrong with orange, man. You cannot go wrong with orange. And here is the other one. My boy just pulled up and dropped me off this Nike long sleeve, which is gonna go amazing with my other J's that I got and my other Nikes. So I appreciate you, my boy. Just have to throw that in the video real quick while you in town. Appreciate you. Good looking out. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for me today in the Jordan 5 Eastern box. I know that's out late. I've been very busy traveling and getting out other content for you guys, so please bear with me. There will be more unboxings on the channel. You want to stay tuned for that. I got these bad boys right here. This video should be coming out next week. Make sure you are staying tuned for that. And this shoes right here is a banger. It's very underrated. I'm glad I got my hands on it. I'm gonna hit you guys with those on feats, and I'll see you guys next week in next week's video. Peace.
To call you just so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. Reminiscing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going another slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I read me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.